I am done with it. I never want to use it again.
Joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile. We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, no we ain't losing ground.
Cake Festival 2022 here at the Carnival ground. Come to enjoy some good, lovely cake. Organized by the Cake Festival. It hasn't been there for the last 2 years. Yeah, they decided to bring it back. Come sample cake, purchase cakes, purchase items for baking. If you have kids, you bring them for a baking session. Entertainment, not only for kids, adults will come too. And so spend the day with me and see how this will go.
You make friends all along the way, to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in.
There's nothing much to do after the cake. For entertainment, the entertainment is going on, dancing, keeping guys busy. But kuna jua isendi kurukaruka. But if you're a person who loves dancing, then uko ndio kuna bamba kana. Hi, how are you? Let me first of all say a very big thank you to my 300 subscribers so far. I just hit 300 the other day. Not such a big deal, but I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And of course, the pace is very slow, but I hope I get there one day. I hope we keep growing. The main aim is 1,000. I'm very far from there, but I will always keep saying or keep asking people to subscribe, and I will never get tired of that. So if you are new, please do so. It means a lot. Subscribers means, or it shows you have at least an audience. Like, when you reach 1,000 subscribers, YouTube finally makes you part of their team. But for now, we're just a mere audience as we continue to strive for that 1,000 subscribers and above. I just want to give a quick update on what I have. I did show you the face wipes I bought from Miniso. This is how they look like. Oops. So there are 8 small or mini packets like these ones. They are very small, easy for carrying when you are going out there. And each packet, this mini packet, has 8 face wipes, and it's big. So this one is dirty. I just used it the other day. So this is how big it is. It can fill your whole face up. Little things from Miniso that make me happy. 2, I've never had a laundry basket. I've always improvised that with an old bucket. It's small, it's not a family basket. If you have a family, this is not a family laundry basket. Your own or 1 or 2 people's clothes, but mostly one person. It's think or don't expect to put in so much laundry in there. It's not for blankets, just for normal clothes day in, day out. It fits all my clothes. I have no complaints about it. Lastly, got myself a new menstrual cup. I have to be very honest, I did realize there was something wrong with my previous menstrual cup, and after my research I knew it was not an authentic menstrual cup. So I did my research. I knew whoever I bought this menstrual cup from were not authentic dealers, or the cup itself is not authentic. And that's why I want to pass the message to the ladies out there that you have to be very careful when you are buying your menstrual cup. Being careful, I mean, don't buy menstrual cup from brands that are not known. That is what happened to me. First of all, how do you identify a menstrual cup that is not authentic? First of all, they are very cheap. I've seen them online, Jumia, very cheap. I've seen them on Gigi. I will tell you a menstrual cup. Their menstrual cups go for 800, 1,000 bob, even 500. I was shocked. I'm not sure, or I am sure those are not this grade or the material they have used is not 100% medical grade silicone. And you also have the well-known worldwide sellers like the Diva cup, the Lunette cup. Or when you want a menstrual cup from them, you have to import, and once you calculate that plus the shipping fee, it's very, very costly. So I was wondering, okay, what do I do? The local dealers are not coming to my mind. That's why I was like, okay, I'm done. I am not using this cup anymore. It's stressing me out, it's leaking, I'm doing everything right, and it's not working. These guys or these dealers where I bought their cup from, so they sell these cups in the name of Diva cups. I admit I was very new to this thing. I was very excited. I didn't do my research. So the first thing that you know that these guys are not authentic, or you're not buying a menstrual cup from an authentic person, is they are cheap. I don't think there's a menstrual cup that will come to you for less than 2,000. So I bought mine for 1,000 bob. In fact, it was their so-called Black Friday, buy one get another one free. That is another technique they will use. They are brands you've never heard of. I advise you to do research on well-known brands for menstrual cups. Again, they will use fake pictures on Facebook or on Instagram to show, you know, how to use a menstrual cup. You know, they never use their own pictures or videos to showcase how a menstrual cup is used. They're always using pictures from or videos from you know, the ghost stealing content from other authentic pages. 3, they never have reviews at all. So all they want to do is sell, and whereas these cups are not authentic. I remember I reached the real Diva cup and they told me the cup I have is not even a real Diva cup. So it's giving me problems, and I was tired. Again, I say I will not, and I will not go back to using pads. I don't want that. I like the concept of a menstrual cup. So out of the 3 local dealers I've told you in Kenya that will save a lot of money, instead of spending money to import a Diva cup or a Lunette cup or a Salt cup, one of the real dealers is the Crimsoncare. So this is where I bought this cup from. Feels different. I can guarantee you everything feels different. I have slept without any leakages or without worrying of any leakages. It's so smooth. Also, I am happy, or I'm content, and whatever is going inside me is the real deal. So if you want a cup, get it from Crimsoncare. So that's an update on my new menstrual cup from Crimsoncare, Kenya. So don't hustle, don't think too much about buying a menstrual cup from the well-known worldwide brands out there, whereas we have our Kenyan market selling the real or authentic 100% medical grade silicone cups. It's an investment I will never regret, never ever buying a menstrual cup. So this fake menstrual cup, I'm sorry, but I guess we can now throw it away. I am done with it. I never want to use it again. All right, that's it. Again, continue subscribing. It's very important, and I hope you've liked my vlog this week. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate every minute, every second you spend to watch my videos. I am beyond grateful. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.